Hello everyone, I am Abix. I am going to show how to fix Apache Shutdown unexpected error. Let us go. First check if there's error. Let us check. Click the start button. Oh, there's error. There is Apache Shutdown unexpectedly. So to fix this error, we have two steps. The first one is click config button, then select the first option and find or search for listen A0. To find or to search the word or the phrase on notepad, we have two steps. The first one is click on edit menu item, then select find item, or second one step is control F. To this tutorial I use control F. So then search for listen A0. So change this listen A0 to A0. And this file we have no more tasks. So in this file we only change listen A0 to listen A0. Then save this file, close it. The second step is click on config button, then select the second option, then search for 443. Yes, then change this listen 443 to 4433. Also search to this 443. Then this virtual host default 4432 4433. We have no more tasks. Save this file, close it. After we finish these tasks, we have one task left. This task is changing the settings. So to change the setting that are related to this Apache, click config button on RSed navigation bar, select service and port setting, change main port to A0 and SSL port to 4433 because we previously changed these numbers to main port to A0 and SSL port to 4433. Save this file, save this panel. Let us check. Start. Oh, there's no error. Attempting to start Apache app starts change detected running. So there's no error. I am Alvayo. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.